In order to gain my professional networking experience, I joined a group called the Silicon Valley iOS Developers Meetup on the website meetup.com. In this presentation, I'd like to introduce this group and share my experience about one of the meetups I've attended. It's called iOS Code Sign with Derek Selander in Sunnyvale. Code sign is a iOS security technology that developers use to certify the application they have developed and submitted to the App Store to assure users that the application is from a low-ish source and the app hasn't been modified since it was last signed. Code sign is often viewed as a black box for many of us iOS developers, but I keep wondering how the code sign works. Is it secure enough? Can someone hack the application that has been code signed? After joining this meetup, my above questions were answered. The Silicon Valley's iOS Developers Meetup is a meetup group that has more than 7,000 members since April 2008. They've been meeting monthly to share the project, opportunities, and how-tos related to the developing apps for iOS and the systems that support them. There are two organizers in this group, Tim Barks and Chiva Hu. Both of them are well experienced in this industry and have a successful career. The speaker of this meetup is Derek Selander, who is working as an iOS developer since 2012 and currently working in the company GoDaddy right now. He is an expert at iOS application development. We had about 100 people attending this meetup. Some of us are currently working as a software engineer. Some are the college students, just like me. All of us are very interested in the iOS application development. Wanted to learn more details of the iOS code sign technology and the security issue along with the iOS application. Derek gave us a great speech about iOS code sign technology, introduced a few efficiency tools, and covered a couple topics, including the code sign, advanced debugging, and reverse engineering. I got a better understanding of the security of the iOS application and the status of the reverse engineering technologies. Here is some picture I took during the speech. After the speech, there is about 30 minutes networking time. I had a good chance of talking with a lot of experts in the software industry, shared a few ideas, and asked a couple questions about iOS application development. Also, people mentioned their company is hiring, and we shared contact information with each other. I really gained a lot from this event, not only the knowledge of the technology, but also a good opportunity to know more people in this industry, enlarge my personal network. I really recommend everyone in my school try to join the meetup as many as possible. It will definitely bring us a lot of advantage in our future career life. Thanks.